Thank you for purchasing a Hydro Massage bathtub. Today I'm going to go over a quick video on the operation of our bathtubs and just kind of show you the inner workings and operation of your pumps and blowers and lights. So here you can see the tub exposed with all its plumbing. You have your light and your suction. And then around back on this particular model, you're gonna have two pumps and an air blower. Here you'll have your heater and then a HydroClean box down here. You will see a red air tubing, and that will work for your air switches inside the tub. So really quickly, I'll show you these. On this particular model, what we have is an air switch to control a pump, and then you have a 3-speed knob which will control the power of the pump up and down. And then you have a diverter handle if you have an added neck pillow, which this will have a pillow cover over it, but these will be controlled individually. The power of them will be controlled by this knob here. Over here, you'll have an additional air switch. That one will control your light. And then here you have an air pad for the blower. So you'll have this on button here, and then you'll have speed up, speed down, and then that is the cycle function there. Certain jets will have their own independent control feature. AccuMassages, something like you'll find these little guys on the back. These are just a single speed, as you will. They can be controlled by the 3-speed knob itself, but there's no individual control of these guys. They're just the power you get, and they'll all be the same amount of power. As far as these guys here, you will have some movement there, and that'll give you increased or decreased flow. Same with the ultra flow jets. Those you can rotate to increase power or decrease power individually. So if you'd like more power on a certain part of your body or less power, you can increase or decrease as you go. They also have an aimable nozzle, so you can actually use that to adjust where exactly the water is firing on your body. And then since this tub is pretty well equipped, you'll have additional controls over here for the secondary pump, another 3-speed, and another diverter handle for the neck pillow here. Down here you'll have the suction. Nothing really to do there. That's just the suction for your water. And then this one has air buttons here, or sorry, air holes here. You'll see this is actually for the down drain, and so that will just drain out the system so it doesn't hold any static water overnight, just to help keep the inner tubings and stuff clean, and to make sure you don't have built up mold and all that fun stuff. So on the back side, you can see your air tube hoses go from the push button down to their designated pumps and light switches. The blower will be controlled by your control pad here, and it's run by this single control cable here, which would run back and be plugged into your blower. Here you can see the air tubes running to where they need to go. Since this particular motor has a HydroClean box on it, it'll run off a switch box. So if you're ever in question, if you seem to have lost power to a pump, that's always a good place to check, is your air tubing, to make sure your tubes are connected securely in place in your pumps and in your air switches.